We've got a 930 turbo in the workshop as well, with a pretty fantastic number plate as well. It's coming in, it's a well-used car, so it's been used quite regularly. We're just doing mechanical work on this one, making it safe, getting everything fully serviced, fully working. And we're going to just check through all the turbo system, make sure that's okay. Rebuilt the wastegate because that looks like it might be a bit stuck. The exhaust manifolds had cracks in, so on these where you get your heat for inside your cab comes from heat exchangers on the exhaust manifolds. So when you opened up the vents, you could smell exhaust gas. So that's the first thing we've sorted. We've removed the manifolds. Tom's in there, he's TIG welded those, he's cut them open, done all the TIG welding repairs, put them all back together. They're all sorted now. And then the next thing we're going to do is probably go through servicing the brakes, suspension, bushes, all that sort of stuff, and then give it a test drive. I really like these cars. These are really fun, especially in the wet, really quite leery. Nearly popping wheelies, these things, they're brilliant. So I'm looking forward to the test drive.